Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup restaurant style. First, let's prepare our star ingredient, the mushrooms. Take about 1 pound of fresh mushrooms like cremini or a mix and slice them. Heat 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large pot over medium-high heat. Add your sliced mushrooms and sauté them until they are beautifully browned and have released all their moisture, which usually takes about 8 to 10 minutes. This step is key for a deep, rich flavor. Now let's build that luxurious, velvety base. To the brown mushrooms, sprinkle in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Stir it well and cook for about 1 minute to create a light roux which will thicken our soup. Next, slowly whisk in 4 cups of your favorite broth, either vegetable or chicken, ensuring there are no lumps. For that restaurant-quality depth, add about 1/2 cup of dry sherry. It truly elevates the taste profile. With our base established, it's time to let the flavors meld. Bring the soup to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen. Now, season generously with about 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme, salt, and freshly ground black pepper to your liking. For that perfect restaurant texture, carefully scoop out about 1/3 of the soup and blend it until smooth, then return it to the pot. We're almost there. For that final touch of indulgence, stir in about 1/2 cup of heavy cream just before serving. This adds a beautiful richness and silky texture that truly makes it restaurant-worthy. Give it a final taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Ladle your exquisite mushroom soup into bowls, garnish with some fresh chopped parsley or chives, and serve it warm with a side of crusty bread. Enjoy your homemade gourmet meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.